Intro: How Turtle Island was usurped, her people denationalized, and how to rise again. Historical documentation indicates that the land referred to as Turtle Island was invaded. Clan mothers were displaced from their sacerdotal seats. In the early 1600s, foreign occupiers ceded these lands. They created corporations like the East India Company, which was established December 31st, 1600. It was founded by John Watts and other British merchants, politicians, and clergy. Among others, they began to seize the land and displace the people, perpetuating the exploitation initiated by those who came before them. Colonies were founded, and numerous women were executed by fire. Labeled as witches, they were accused of consorting with the devil. The divine feminine was shamed and debased. Another method, known as the sweetheart swindle, was used to seize the land. Many of the original chiefs of different clans were unalived, acting on Pope Alexander Sextus's signing of a papal decree, declaring all lands on Turtle Island terra nullius, known as empty lands, in order to control the lands and its people. Pope Alexander's son, Cesare Borgia, became the figure of salvation for the people and the land. Our history was altered to support that narrative. Until March 2023, the Vatican decided to repudiate some of the claims. On Turtle Island, natural law is the law of the land. The matriarchs are guided by the principles of Ma'at and common law. Therefore, no need for lawyers or politicians. Each individual sustains their own life force, which contributes to the collective health and wealth of the entire community. Over time, the settlers established a legal construct known as a straw man. This mechanism draws energy from the population. Without knowledge of self, many indigenous people believe they originated somewhere else. The connection with the source of all was broken, so the people began to vibrate on a lower frequency, leading to an imbalance and disharmony within our mind, body, and spirit. The original inhabitants of Turtle Island experienced a deep state of forgetting their true identities. Congratulations if you made it this far. There's a special offer at the end of this video. This video serves as a reminder to unite with our hearts and minds. In doing so, we recognize that we are divine beings having a human experience. Those who gained from our amnesia hold all the historical records. They are charged with returning every usurped and escheated asset to each clan mother across Turtle Island. We are here to challenge the narrative and create heaven on earth. As it was in the beginning, so shall it be in the end. It's time to restore the melanated woman back to her rightful place, restoring her property and her herbal remedies, rediscovering sound healing and sacred architecture, to use the resources of Mother Earth in a way that enhances the well-being of all humanity. No one should ever be charged a fee to live on a planet that's free. Before the time of forgetting, there was a peaceful coexistence between the people and nature. In this harmonious existence, police, prisons, and surveillance were unnecessary. Because the people honored the God power within one another, they realized we are all connected to the source of the all. It is crucial for us to maintain the highest vibration with like-minded people. If any of these points of interest resonate with you, please leave a comment and let's have a meaningful dialogue. As a token of my appreciation, I'm offering this handmade 100% soy wax candle to the 3,000th subscriber on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Peace, love, and light.